Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine, and today our sweet lectures is basis of biological classification. Okay, our biological classification we will discuss about biology and classification of many others scientists and classification of all the kinds. First of all, we discuss that according to fossil evidence, life on Earth is speculated to have begun roughly 3.7 billion years ago. Today, the Earth is home to countless species, ranging from microscopic microbes to gigantic blue whales. The diversity of life is so vast that there are many species yet to be discovered. For instance, the giant squid Architeuthis dax was nothing more than a sailor telltale until an actual specimen was recorded on video in 19204. Similarly, there are many organisms that are yet to be defined or discovered. However, we do need a system to classify the organisms that we do not know about. This is due to the fact that same organism or its verification may exist across multiple locations around the planet. And these organisms are given different names according to their location through all the biological the same organism. Hence, the idea biological classification was put forward. We shall explore what is biological classification and its basis of classification in detail. The first question arises: what is biological classification? Biological classification is a scientific procedure of arranging organisms into the hierarchical series of groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarity and dissimilarity. Many biologists have contributed to this method of classification, which took years for research to decide most fundamental characteristics for the classification. Next is the basis of classification. The history of biological classification began with Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, who is often called the father of biology. He described animal classification based on the habitat, air, water, and land. He was the first person to recognize the need, the group, and group name in the study of animal kingdom. Later, biologists start to work on the classification of living organisms based on their characteristics. Characteristics can be explained in many ways. A group of organisms is similar enough to be classified together by certain characteristics. Characteristics are the appearance, form, and behavior function of something, and the characteristics decide which organism will be placed in which group. Okay. For example, a dog has limbs, but a snake does not. A dog and a snake can move, but plants cannot. These are characteristics of different organisms. These behavior classified them into different groups, but which characters should be classified? Whether on the basis of body sign on its locomotion. Therefore, that was not successful. In the mid 1700s, as a Coelom Linnaeus, a Swedish physician and botanist, published several books on different species of plants and animals. According to his system of classification, he grouped organisms according to the common physical traits and developed the two-pass binomial taxonomy system of categorizing organisms according to the genus and species. This type of classification was effective. Later, his work was combined with the work of Charles Darwin, forming the foundation modern taxonomy. Today, some of the characteristics which are used today to classify organisms are as follows: types of cell, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, number of cell, unicellular, multicellular, mode of nutrition, autotrophic or heterotrophic, the level of organization and development of organs. Explore more fascinating concept by registrations. Some question frequently asked that the name of the book written by Colin Hesian on classification of organism. The book name was Systema Naturae. Okay. The next question is what is the meaning of binomial nomenclature? Binomial nomenclature is a system of nomenclature in which each species receives a name of two terms of which the first identifies the genus to which belong and the second to species itself. So this was our topic. I hope you will be understanding. The next lecture we will discuss some others. So friends, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.